How to safely handle electrical hazards during a flood or storm. Imagine your home caught in a storm or flood, and suddenly you realize water is creeping toward your electrical outlets and appliances. It's a tense moment, but knowing what to do can keep you safe. When floods or storms threaten your property, electrical hazards become a serious concern. The first step is preparing your electrical system before the weather hits. Mark all your circuit breakers and fuses clearly so you can quickly identify which controls power to each part of your home. This simple step makes shutting off power faster and safer during an emergency. Create an emergency kit with battery-powered flashlights, radios, bottled water, and a list of emergency phone numbers including your electric utility company. If you see severe weather approaching, unplug electronic devices like computers, televisions, and small appliances to prevent damage from power surges. Installing ground fault circuit interrupters in areas where water and electricity might meet, such as bathrooms, kitchens, laundry rooms, basements, and outdoor spaces, adds extra safety. These devices cut off power instantly if they detect a dangerous electrical condition, reducing shock risk. You can also buy portable ground fault circuit interrupters for backup protection. Set up a backup power system that can store energy for at least 3 days. Mount batteries above flood lines, never in basements, and choose weather-rated sealed equipment for outdoor use. Avoid placing lithium batteries in basements because they can be damaged by water, creating fire hazards. During the storm, your main safety rule is to stay out of water that might be energized. Never enter a flooded basement or room if outlets, cords, or appliances are submerged. Water can carry live electricity, which is deadly. If you need to turn off power, only do so if you can do it safely without stepping into water or standing on a wet floor. If you cannot reach the breaker box safely, call your utility company to shut off power at the meter. Watch for signs of electrical danger like buzzing, snapping, or sparking sounds or visible sparks. If you see a down power line, keep at least 10 feet away and report it immediately to your utility or emergency services. Remember, electricity can travel through water, so staying far away is safest. During lightning storms, seek shelter indoors and stay away from windows and doors, as lightning can strike miles away. If the power goes out, turn off large appliances and electronics to prevent overloads when power returns. Leave a lamp on to signal when your power is back. After the storm, do not re-enter your home until all utilities are confirmed to be off. Check outside for fallen power lines and keep at least 35 feet away from them. Never touch electrical wires or appliances that may have been submerged. Have a qualified electrician inspect all electrical systems and water-damaged parts before turning the power back on. If your main breaker or fuse box got wet, do not attempt to turn it on yourself. Only a professional can verify that your wiring is safe. Knowing how to shut off utilities properly is a key part of emergency preparedness. Locate your main breaker or fuse box beforehand and label each circuit clearly. Practice turning off your main power supply so you can do it quickly if needed. Remember, safety comes first. If water is present, it's best to call your utility company to shut off power at the meter. Never try to restore power yourself until a professional has inspected your system thoroughly. This helps prevent fires, shocks, and further damage. Being prepared with these steps can keep you and your loved ones safe during any flood or storm.